So let's have a look at question 1 then. Let's make sure that we know what we're doing here. So glass is made from silica, lime, and soda. So we've got these 3 items that we're working with here. The ratio of silica to lime is 15 to 2. 15 to 2. And the ratio of silica to soda is 15 to 1. Okay, so what this is saying is that when we've got silica, and we've got lime, and we've got lime. We've got 2 different things that we're comparing here. We know that the ratio is 15 to 2. So we can write 15 to 2. And we know that what's happening is if we have 15 objects on one side, then we have to have 2 objects on the other side. Okay, so that's easy enough to understand. 15 to 1. If I chuck 15 of this thing into here, then I have to chuck 2 of that thing into there. And the same holds if I was to copy that whole thing. If I was to say, and I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it, and it's going to look like, man, magic, yeah? If I was to do, say, 30 of one object, then I would have to do 4 of the other, right? 30 of one object, 4 of the other. I realized that I just left 1 over. Okay, so no matter how large or how small I scale that, I'm going to have to keep this ratio going. Okay, so let's look again and see what's going on. I've got 15 to 2, and then I've also got my soda to lime. So when we're setting this problem up, I'm going to find out what my silica to lime to soda ratio is. And we're going to choose the largest ratio in this case. I'm going to choose the largest and I'm going to work from there. Okay, so I know that when I have 15 silica, I'm going to get 2 lime. So I'm just going to slot that in here. 15 soda, I'm going to get 2 lime here. Well, let's look at this one and see what happens if we want to add the soda. And here we know that the silica to soda is 5 to 1. So I'm going to change all of the information that's over on this side over here. I'm going to change that information. I'm going to get rid of my lime, and I'm going to put 15 to 1. I'm going to put 5 to 1, yeah? And I'm doing silica to soda, yeah? So let's look at what that's going to look like. We're going to have 5 silica, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to have 1 soda. But in this scenario, we don't have 5 silica, do we? We have got 15 silica. So let's look at what's going to happen. Every time I add 5 to this side, I'm going to add 1 over here. And I'm going to add 5 more over here, and I'm going to add 1 here. And I'm going to realize that anytime I have 15 silica, I'm also going to have 3 soda. Yeah, so this is the answer that they're looking for. 15 to 2 to 3, yeah, is our ratio, okay? And that 15 to 2 to 3 is going to give you an achieved mark, which will be marked as U if you've got your assessor's notes over here. I'll change it to red, so we've got our assessor's notes right there, yeah? If you got a U there, you did the best you possibly could. Good work.